Okay, are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, good afternoon, Rehan. Welcome to Kantor Kecamatan Tulis Menjadi Selamat datang.
Good afternoon, sir. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to meet with you today.
Take place. Please take a seat. Can you tell me little bit about yourself?
Yes, thank you for giving me the chance to introduce myself. My name is Raihan Maulana Suprot and I'm fresh from SMK Bakti Praja. I have the internship experience at Kantor Kecamatan, CEO Specialist and M Speaking, a company to which I can contribute while also expanding my know the CEO.
Okay, thank you. Good luck.